So this course managed cash and liquidity is kind of a cash management in S/4HANA. Main objective is to provide real-time visibility of cash position, future cash flows to help organization to manage liquidity efficiency. There are four main areas which we will discuss in this course. If we go to the slide, these are the four areas and all four are interconnected. So the first one is analyzing the cash position. Combine actual balances, incoming receivables and outgoing payables to understand company current cash position using tool like cash flow analyzer. It's a Fiori app for cash management. In this app, you will see all the bank's account, incoming and outgoing transactions, whether they are actual or planned one. So we can see in this app. Second area is maintain planned cash flow. In that we memo records are created for future inflow and outflows that we are aware of at this today, and so that our cash flow report shows that how it looks like on a particular day. So it's kind of like if we are expecting some funds to be coming in our account on like next week, so we create a memo record so that we can see in our reports that whether it is visible on that date and any decision can be made accurately. Same thing if we expect any outflow, we make a memo record for this outflow. So in legacy system, this option is not there. We just see the actual balance of the bank, but in this module, we can add memo records for the future inflows and outflow. So there are two methods to make a memo record. One is manual, the other one is through Excel. We upload this thing. So these memo records helps in forecasting liquidity before the actual and accounting posting happen in the SAP system. Setting is third one is setting up cash pool. It's interconnected. Both are, you can say that to reach to cash consideration, we have to first make a cash pool, and this is being used to group multiple bank accounts into a cash pool structure for centralized cash management, supporting a single level and multi-level cash consideration structure. So in this, what we'll do that we make a cash pool and assign to our bank accounts. So in executing cash consideration, it's a bit different from the memo records. In both cases, we create a memo record, kind of like in the first, in this second step, when we create a memo record, it is for the receivables and payables. But in this cash consideration, it is memo record for our internal banks. Like if we want to transfer funds from one bank account to another for the liquidity purpose, like in we may have some gaps, like in some bank account, if after $250,000 the remaining amount will be transferred to the main header account, so we use this cash consideration. So you can say that for the cash transfer, we use this cash consideration. It has further divided into two parts. One is for the is the transfer only for the memo records, and second part is for the actual transfer. If we go to slide number 47, I believe. Yes. So as I mentioned that cash concentration is for the memo records of cash. So here the main difference is that in the survey, when we are creating cash pool, we have to mention the service provider. If it is bank, it's mean that we create a memo record for our internal transfer. Like in only in memo records are nothing but a temporary uh, transaction or document in our system that shows that on a particular date and that funds will come into our system or goes out. So for the bank, it's a inflow from one bank account to our other bank account. It's for memo for only the memo record purposes. Whenever we are making a cash pool, if the service provider is bank, it's only for the memo record. But if we select service provider as enterprise, it's mean that actually we are transferring funds from one bank account to another bank account. So in this case, there is an actual posting in our system, and there's an actual transfer from one bank account to another in our bank, and accounting entry is generated if we select enterprise. But if we select bank, this will only show as a memo record, and again it has an expiry. Like we are expecting that we will transfer next week some amount, so we create that memo record that on that day our funds will look like this. But when after that the actual transaction happens, so this memo record will expired, and actual entry will hit our system. So going back to our this thing. So again, these are the main four areas. For cash concentration, we have to first make a cash pool, and in cash pool again there are two types we have to select, whether it's a bank or enterprise. Bank mean for memo purpose, enterprise mean actual happening in the system and also in the bank. And there is a concept of single layer and multi-layer as well. So single layer is like in our case, there's one header account and one sub account. Like from business account, if we transfer money to general account, so business account is our sub account, and header account is our general account. So this is single layer. But multi-layer is where there are more than two header accounts. So, but this is not in our case, so we just stick on to the single layer account, and we see this actually on when we are doing hands-on exercise. So that's all about this module, this course. It's very simple, and it's related to liquidity of the company, how we can view and how can we can change according to our needs. We can add memory records in that, so that projection can be done properly. Thank you.